How can calibrated performance solutions move you closer to your goals? To find out, let's walk through a hypothetical case history with the Acme Corporation. Here, we'll see how Acme used our proprietary consulting toolset to achieve the goals of a sales improvement project. In this example, Acme is a greeting card producer with sales through 1,200 customer locations in the United States. The good news for Acme is that sales have grown steadily over the past 15 years. The business issue facing Acme Corporation is that while sales continue to grow, the cost of sales is growing at a faster rate, thereby making a negative impact on overall profits. Acme Corporation retained Calibrated Performance Solutions to guide them through a process for achieving their goal of identifying and implementing strategies to increase sales in key channels while reducing overall cost of sales over time. In the resulting collaboration, Calibrated Performance Solutions joined with Acme's project team. Together, we developed and implemented a three-step process as follows. Through consultation, we defined strategic goals, identified metrics, and agreed on a work process. Through CPS-Reports, we provided ongoing data analysis and insight into how sales performance and costs aligned with management's goals. And through planning and evaluation, we implemented a 6-month continuous improvement cycle to increase unit sales and reduce costs. Now, let's see how the CPS-Reports toolset kept the focus on achieving the goals. First, we configured CPS-Reports for success by working with the project team to gain consensus and clarify priorities about their sales performance improvement goal to increase sales within a specific cost budget. Acme's project team wanted to see in a single dynamic view the performance and cost factors needed to achieve the overall goal. We worked with the team to specify the 2 drivers that are needed to achieve the goal. In this example, unit sales and associated costs of those sales. The team then identified the key sales performance factors needed to achieve the goal, breaking out unit sales across the 5 key sales channels. For each channel, the team also would track the corresponding costs of sales. At the start of the project, the team's most recent sales data looked like this. The CPS-Reports toolset displayed the starting positions for each channel in this format. As you can see, the cumulative starting values are short of the goal by a considerable margin. Next, we guided the project team in establishing specific goals for each channel, measured in terms of unit sales and associated dollar cost. We made sure that each channel's performance goal directly supported the overall goal established for the initiative, an essential milestone in this process. Now the team knew where they were starting from and where they wanted to go. But what Acme most urgently wanted to know was, where are we really compared with the goals for each key channel? And how do we achieve the goals? Our alignment report showed the team at a glance which channels are above, below, or aligned with their sales goals, and which channels are above, below, or aligned with their cost budgets. It's easy to spot those channels whose starting scores are aligned with goals, and those that are most out of alignment and need the most improvement. Farther down the chart, large bars indicate the average alignment of both drivers. Alignment of those 2 drivers determines an overall picture-perfect score, shown on the base of the chart. Total alignment yields an optimal picture-perfect score of 100%. When misalignment occurs, costs go up, yet those extra costs often go unrecognized. As a key benefit, CPS-Reports shows the exact cost of misalignment for each channel. Now the team knew the starting performance, the starting cost, the goals, and the costs of misalignment. The next big question Acme asked was, how to achieve alignment? Let's find out. Based on starting and goal data already entered, we used the CPS-Reports toolset to generate an alignment action plan. The action plan serves as a roadmap for achieving alignment by adjusting all factors to align with their respective goals. Over the course of the project, the alignment action plan automatically updated the needed adjustments based on the most current data entered. The CPS-Reports toolset graphically depicts the degree of alignment of the current data to the goal for each performance driver. displays the overall current alignment in terms of percent over and under the goal, and details the specific amount of adjustment needed for each performance driver to bring it into alignment with the corresponding goal. Our collaborative project team then was able to determine how to achieve needed adjustments for each factor to move toward alignment with goal. Our facilitation work for Acme Corporation began with an initial team review of their starting situation compared with their goals for each performance factor. Attending the session were management and sales leadership. We first ensured that the entire team agreed on goals and budget targets. Next, each sales leader was challenged to commit to initiating improvements within their respective team. Finally, we facilitated the scheduling of continuous planning reviews to be held monthly for the duration of the assignment. Let's quickly walk through the alignment report for each of those facilitated sessions and see how the Acme sales team progressed toward their goal. Here you see a repeat of the starting status alignment report you saw a short while ago. 64% picture perfect, and a long way to go. 1 month later, 72% picture perfect. Just watch those status bars for each performance factor move into closer alignment as the continuous improvement effort starts to generate results. Second monthly planning session, 84% picture perfect. Step by step, the team is bringing the factors into alignment. Third month, 90% picture perfect, but still more work to do, and the easier quick wins have already been scored. At the end of 6 months, success achieved, alignment achieved, sales goal achieved, within budget and cost effectiveness targeted for each key channel. Loss due to misalignment reduced to 0. Unit sales performance increased by 51%. Overall cost of sales decreased by 13%. Picture perfect performance, 100%. As this brief illustration has shown, Calibrated Performance Solutions can be your resource for gaining long-term benefits from your improvement efforts. The deliverables you gain from our consulting work, our CPS Reports toolset, and our post-assignment evaluation respectively generate lasting outcomes for your entire organization, including new routines for communication, planning, and managing execution of improvement efforts. Consistency, a common vocabulary, and a continuous planning methodology that keeps your team focused on precisely what it takes to achieve desired results. And finally, the initiation of ongoing improvement cycles and an initial plan for replicating success practices in your culture. Contact Calibrated Performance Solutions now for a more detailed demonstration of our process and proprietary toolset.